Your WhatsApp status can either make you invisible or unforgettable. The difference is in how you post. Most people struggle to get attention on their WhatsApp status. They post every day, but nobody responds. Nobody buys, and sometimes it feels like nobody even cares. But here's the good news. You can actually turn your WhatsApp status into a magnet that pulls people in and makes them want to engage with you. And in today's video, I am going to show you exactly how. And guess what? Everything I'm going to be teaching you today, everything I'm going to be telling you, the tea I am going to be giving you is from my book, The Ultimate WhatsApp Status Magnet, which I will talk about later. But in the meantime, let us dive right into what we are here for, which is to know how to make your WhatsApp status so engaging that people don't ignore you. Now, the first point is for you to use storytelling, don't just post. Tell stories. If you want to bring that emotional feel to your WhatsApp status, then ensure that you are telling stories on your WhatsApp status. And also ensure that it is relatable. Generally, stories are something that when you tell, people can easily relate to you. You are literally, tapping into people's emotion. People can literally become emotional because of your story. Do you get? So now use stories. Tell stories on your WhatsApp status. This will make people engage with you. Stories of instead of just telling us about, oh, your stocks are available, your products are available. How about you show us, tell us stories of when you were trying to deliver a product to a customer? A funny story of what happened, or a story about how excited a customer was when she came to pick up her products or his products. Just tell stories, okay? It could be personal stories, it could be stories related to your business, but ensure that you are gisting us. It's just like the way you call your friend and be like, guy, I need to meet up with you, or babe, I need to meet up with you. And then you'll be like, okay, the friend will be like, okay, what would you give me? And you reply the friend, I get gist for you. Definitely, the friend will be hyped up and she'll be like, oh, don't worry, keep that gist for me as they come in the next few days or in the next 1 hour, depending. You will see me, I will show up so that you gist me. Because you know how excited a friend is because you want to tell him or her a gist. That is how, when your status viewer, when your contacts notice that you're always giving juicy stories, they are always eager to check your WhatsApp status for the next interesting story that you tell them. So ensure that you are trapping and attracting and magneting people to watch your WhatsApp status by using storytelling. Okay? Now, the second tip is for you to use humor. Now, let us go over what I wrote in the book, in the Ultimate WhatsApp Status Magnet. I said use humor. Let's read it together. I said humor can be a great way to engage an audience, especially if it is relevant to the topic and not offensive. You can use videos, memes, and your personal funny stories. Yes, it is okay for you to post funny content on your WhatsApp status. I know that you are a business owner and you like to post just your product features and prices. Please, it's okay. It's enough. You have to also bring in humor. You have to also show us funny videos, memes. Okay? This will make us engage with you. This will magnet our attention to your WhatsApp status because we know that you have something else to use and grab our attention other than telling us to always buy your products, always buy your products. Sometimes let us have fun on your status. And you know that nobody likes boring content. So when you add a bit of humor, it will make people pay attention to you. It could be by sharing a funny caption, memes, funny videos, funny pictures, something that will make them laugh and come back for more. Something that will make them respond. They will tap that laughing emoji and then enter your DM. From there, even you can even start the conversation from there if you want. If it's maybe hot, someone that is always in your status and you know that they're always looking at the product pictures that you're interested, you might be like, this person might be interested. Let me engage this person in a conversation. So use humor. Now, this is the thing. Ensure that you don't post offensive jokes. Ensure that you are being careful in the type of humor. Don't post humor that will literally make people angry, that will be perceived as offensive. When you use humor the right way, you make them laugh, even share, and also come back for more content, thereby making them always come to view your WhatsApp status. Okay? Now let us move on to the third one. Use visual aids. Now you may not understand the power of pictures, visuals, graphics. You might not understand. But I'm telling you now that if you want to engage, if you want your audience to engage with your WhatsApp status, then ensure that you are using visuals. Because visuals make your content stick in the minds of your viewers and turn your message into something they remember. Now I'm going to say this so that you understand the power of visuals. I know it might be a bad habit, but it's something I do, which is to scroll through Instagram whenever I am eating. Yes, I know it might be a bad habit, but I enjoy it. As I'm eating, I am engaging myself by looking at visuals. You know that Instagram is like a a visual app, pictures and videos, carousels, more of that than Facebook that is more of written posts. So I like going through Instagram posts. Now because it's entertaining. They can easily capture my attention without me sacrificing a lot, using enough energy to read. I'm just looking at it. That's one app I'm always going to because it's always drawing my attention. I mean, without stress, I'm already being entertained. That is how your status should easily entertain your contacts without them being stressed because you're using visual. So ensure that you use clear pictures, short videos, GIS, infographics to communicate your point, especially if you're selling your product. Instead of just telling us about your product, show us pictures of your product, show us pictures of videos of your product, show us infographics concerning like informations about your product, okay? Use visuals even when you're trying to make us laugh or when you're trying to sell your product. Fourth one is to involve your audience. Now, the fastest way to boost engagement is to involve your viewers. Now, how do you do this? You do this by asking questions, running polls, and asking about their opinion on something. Yes, definitely, we know that you want to go on a date and you want to choose out of two dresses. Already, we know that you want to go for the red dress, the red, skimpy, shiny, beautiful dress. But you will intentionally ask your viewers which one should you go for. Is it the short, skimpy red dress, or do you want or the bodycon long black dress? We already know the one you want to go for, but you are seeking their opinion because you want them to engage. You want them to like, and this is also necessary when you want to build a community. Like, you want them to feel like, yes, I belong. I am my she's seeking for my opinion, so I'm giving it. Now, when you ask questions like this, you are like literally making them engage because they are replying. They are, telling you, see, go for the red one because so. They are literally replying because they are interested in answering that question. You ask them a question, and if they like you, they reply. They want to reply you. Or let's say as a lady you want to do your nails and you're asking them, oh, should I go for nude color or should I go for a bold pink? Some of them, then you can even go to Pinterest or any picture you see, just attach it there. They'll look at it and be like, okay, I think you should go for the pink. Or some will even say they want you to go for the nude, and some will give their reason. Or you can say, should I go for the almond shaped nails or for this type of nail, this shape of nail? And you see them giving, replying because you asked them a question. So this is a form of engagement. They are literally engaging with you. Now, they are not just engaging, they are literally building relationships with you. And in business, those conversations can easily convert to sales. Now, you can even post something like, should I just tell people what happened today? Just, can someone please guess what happened? You see that some people will reply, and when they reply, they are literally engaging with you. So, this is a key for you to involve your audience, for you to ask questions. Okay. Now, the fifth tip on how to make your self status so engaging that people don't ignore you is for you to vary your delivery. Now, what do I mean by this? I mean, the way you deliver your message and your WhatsApp status should differ, never sound the same. Your tone, your language, they should be different. The style that you use in posting should be different. Sometimes give them a long post, sometimes short post, sometimes different languages, sometimes speak English, sometimes speak pidgin for Nigerians, sometimes speak a native language. Just make sure that your delivery, the way you deliver your message, is always different. When you do this, it will make them curious because they don't know what to expect from you. And then you see them coming back to check in. So these are the 5 powerful ways to make your WhatsApp status so engaging that people can't ignore you. If you feel I missed anything, please tell me in the comment section. And like I said earlier, these strategies are from my book, The Ultimate WhatsApp Status Magnet. Do you know the sweet part? The sweet part is that this book is one of the resources in the over 10 plus resources that I have in my bundle, which is the WhatsApp Sales Growth Bundle. Now, I'm going to tell you what you'll find inside the WhatsApp status magnet, which will literally help you sell with confidence, with structure, with clarity, and with intentionality on WhatsApp. Inside this WhatsApp status magnet, you will find 2 ebooks, 4 guides, a checklist, a worksheet, and 3 trackers that you use to track information about your business so that you can work with data. Now, when you get this WhatsApp Sales Growth Bundle, you will get access to a free WhatsApp community of intentional business owners. You'll get access to free resources and exclusive tips. You also get mentorship. If you're serious about turning WhatsApp into a money making system, then I highly recommend that you get your hands on this bundle. Check the first pinned comment and the description box for the link to access this bundle. Now tell me in the comment section which of these tips are you going to try out first. I want to hear from you. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're a business owner or you are aspiring to be a business owner and you want to grow your business online. Also, like, share, and leave a comment. I'll be looking forward to hear from you, okay? Till I see you in my next video.